So in today's class we are going to see a problem based on average speed. So speed, so we know the formula for speed, which is equal to distance by time taken. So the formula for average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So that's the difference between speed and average speed. So for speed they will take only distance by time. So from the problem they have given a car travel from A to B. So from A to B it moves with a speed V1. It moves with the speed of V1, and from B to A it moves with a speed V2. So from that we can infer that it moves with the same distance. From A to B it travels the same distance x, and from B to A it travels the same distance of x kilometers. So the total distance will be x plus x. From A to B it is x, and from B to A it is x. So x plus x is equal to 2x. Then the total time taken. So the total time taken will be it's t. Total time taken is t, and from the formula s is equal to d by t. So we can get for t is equal to d by s. So for t, it's t1 plus t2. Since we have two speeds v1 and v2, we get t is equal to t1 plus t2. So for t1, from the formula we can get, which is equal to d1 by v1. So t1 we can get as d1 by v1 plus, for t2 it is d2 by v2. So we will be getting, since the distance traveled will be the same, it is x by v1 plus x by v2. So we can cross multiply, which will be getting x v1 plus x v2. So x v2, when we cross multiply, x v2 plus x v1 divided by, so denominator we have v1 dot v2. So this is the total time taken. We can substitute in the average speed. So average speed is equal to, the total distance is 2x divided by total time taken is x v2 plus x v1 divided by v1 dot v2, which is equal to, so since it is in two fractions we can take the denominator to the other numerator side. So 2x multiplied by v1 dot v2 divided by x v2, or x, since x is common, x of v1 plus v2 plus v2. So now we have x and x, which is, we can cancel it out. So we'll be getting 2 v1 dot multiplied by v2 divided by v1 plus v2. So this is the answer for this average speed. So from the options we see we can get this third as the right answer. So option number 3 is the right answer. So this is the answer for this given problem. So we have done average speed. The formula is total distance by total time taken. First we have to find the total distance, then the total time taken. When we substitute it, we can get the average speed, which is equal to 2 times v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. So now you can find the answer for average velocity. So it's an homework. You can find from this problem what is the solution for average velocity. So the formula for average velocity is total displacement divided by total time taken. Instead of distance, we have to calculate the displacement. If you know the answer, if you solve it, please comment it down. So thanks for watching.